Hey guys, what's up? So I got this very depressing comment from a guy named Marcelo on one of my videos recently, and I felt like I have to make this video to respond to him. So Marcelo, hey, what's up? I hope you were seeing this. So yeah, let's read Marcelo's comment. So, getting tired of watching this type of vids. I feel like I might be an aberration because I never develop, always stuck in mediocrity. Well, even calling it mediocre is a compliment actually. I wish I was more intelligent and capable. I guess my IQ is too low maybe. Anyway, keep up the good work. I wish I had such talent. So yeah, Marcelo, a very sad and dramatic comment, and I just felt like, I have to cheer you up a little bit. So I really hope you're watching this. And anyway, yeah, I just wanted to say, trying to make it as an illustrator, as a creative, is very, very hard, and especially in the beginning, it can be super frustrating. And obviously, I mean you commented on the video where I actually tell my personal story and the way I got rejected from all 3 academies I applied to, hoping to study graphic design. So obviously, I felt the same way. I definitely had to struggle in the beginning of my journey as an illustrator. So yeah, it really sucks sometimes. But yeah, I wanted to say, there isn't such a thing as talent, if you ask me. I mean, it's all about practicing and taking your time. I mean, it's a long process. So don't think, you either got it or you don't got it, and you can't develop anything on your own. So yeah, I'm pretty sure, no matter who you are, you can practice and become better at illustration. And I thought I can give you this interesting exercise that might be helpful for you if you feel like you're stuck and you can't really develop your illustration skills. So I came up with this interesting challenge, which I think can be very cool to try, and it's not very hard. It's I thought it will be cool to try it out for 100 days, just to see how far you can get in 100 days. So what I want you to try and do is, just start drawing every day for 100 days from now, and try to come up with a specific area that you want to focus on. I mean, it has to be something specific. I don't want you to just draw and practice drawing, which is very, very general and can go into a million directions. So I think you should try and pick something like just drawing portraits, or maybe drawing landscapes, or drawing animals, character design, whatever it is that you're interested in, and then try to focus just on that for 100 days. And basically draw every day for at least an hour in your sketchbook, and that's basically it. I mean, try to do it every day for an hour. I think you should try and do like 30 minutes of photo studies, where you just look at photos of people, if it's portraits, or like photograph of landscapes and stuff like that. And then in the last 30 minutes of your practice, try to study other artists and try to understand how they draw and approach, line work and colors and all that stuff. But again, in your sketchbook, nothing fancy. You don't need Procreate, you don't need your computer or Photoshop or whatever. Just try to work with a pencil in your sketchbook, and that's it. And then just do it every day for 100 days. And then I also recommend once a week to try and make a longer session for something like 2 or 3 hours, where you actually sit down and try to draw just one illustration for the entire session, which is longer. So try to just add more details and make it better, I guess. Another thing you can do in this longer session is try to follow a tutorial online, maybe on YouTube. There's like a ton of videos about portrait drawings, or how to draw animals, how to draw landscapes. I'm sure you can find something that is interesting for you and relevant for you. So basically that's it. Try to make 1 hour sessions every day, and then once a week just a longer session where you study something for 2 or 3 hours. And I'm sure that within 100 days you can see that you made like a huge progress. And that's why I think you also need to document every day. Just take a picture out of your sketchbook just to document your process, and then it's something that you can look back and reflect on and try to understand, what worked, what didn't work, and what you need to focus on next. So I'm sure this 100-day challenge will work out for you. And if you're watching this and you're not Marcelo and you still want to try it out because you feel like you're stuck, I'll be super happy to see what you come up with. So feel free to share your progress and let me know how it goes. I really hope this helps, Marcelo. I mean, sometimes it sucks and it can be really depressing, but that's what's cool about, these challenges where you don't really need to think about anything. You just need to do it every day for 1 hour, and then, there's nothing to think about. Just do it and you'll see the progress happening as you go. So yeah, hopefully this was interesting. I'm still working on my painting, which is taking so long. I'm having a lot of fun, actually. It's such a fun process, but I definitely suck at painting by hand at the moment, and I have so much to learn, and I made a lot of mistakes. So I really hope I'll finish the painting in the next week or so, but we'll have to wait a little longer. By the way, new merch, lockdown merch, check it out. We are stuck in the second lockdown here in Israel. Things are completely crazy and weird, but I guess I'll talk about it next time. That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.